How to create a Dailymotion account. So to create a Dailymotion account, first of all, open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Google Chrome browser. And then on the search bar, search for Dailymotion, and then click on the first search, and it will directly take you to the website. And on the upper right corner, you will have sign up option. Click on sign up, and from here you can sign up. If you scroll down, you can also continue with your Google. So now to sign up, you have to first enter your email address, and after entering your email address, you have to enter your password and then your date of birth and your gender. And after entering all of this, you can click on I'm not a robot, and then you have to click here that you accept Dailymotion's terms of use and privacy policy. And then after entering all of this information, you can simply click on sign up, and that's it guys. That's how you create your Dailymotion account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.